Hi neighbors, my name is Taryn, this is Trolley, and this is Tiggy, and we are going into the neighborhood of make-believe today. Now, can anyone tell me who lives in the neighborhood of make-believe?
Who lives there?
Maybe the Owl, Katerina Kittycat, maybe Daniel Tiger and all of his friends, right? Yeah!
Daniel
Now,
Tiger.
do you want to make believe with me today? Everyone say yeah!
Yeah!
Wonderful. Let's close our eyes and make believe Daniel Tiger's getting on Trolley.
Adventures with Zombie, your ultimate guide to navigating the undead world of spine-tingling thrills and chills. So, ready to face your fears and have some undead fun? Hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, there he is.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? Hi neighbors! I'm so glad you're here. You're just in time for Neighbor Day. It's a special day when we all do something nice for our neighbors.
That sounds tiger-tastic, Daniel. We're about to go into the tunnel that takes us to the neighborhood of make-believe.
So excited. Thanks for taking us, Trolley.
Thank you, Trolley.
Ride along. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Here we are.
And it looks like our first stop is Prince Wednesday's castle.
Terrific. Say hi to Prince Wednesday with me.
Hi, Prince Wednesday.
Hi, Daniel. My name is Happy Neighbor Day. I'm really excited to see you.
Why are you so excited to see us, Prince Wednesday?
Because we're about to have a special neighbor hugging song at the castle.
A special neighbor hugging song? That sounds like a perfect way to celebrate Neighbor Day.
I know. Will you help me tell everyone in the neighborhood about the hugging song?
Neighbors, do you think we can?
Yes. Just tell everyone you see to come along.
Come along.
To the neighbor hugging song.
Say it together. Ready? Come along to the neighbor hugging song.
That was tiger-tastic.
All right, neighbors, those words are going to be super important, so let's try that one more time. Come along to the neighbor hugging song.
Thanks for helping me, neighbors. Bye. See you soon.
Bye, Prince Wednesday.
I'm so glad we can help Prince Wednesday. Hey, since it's Neighbor Day, maybe we can help all the neighbors we see. Do you think we can?
Do you guys think we can help all our neighbors today?
Yeah!
Wonderful.
Terrific. Sing with me.
We're off to find our neighbors to invite them to the hugging song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Won't you ride along with me? Let's try that one more time, neighbors. You just sound so beautiful. We're off to find our neighbors to invite them to the hugging song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Won't you ride along with me? Good job, neighbors. It looks like our first stop is the neighborhood treehouse.
Do you see my friends? It's Katerina Kittycat and the Owl. Let's say hello.
Hi, Katerina Kittycat. Hi, the Owl.
Hi. Hello, Daniel. Hello, neighbors. Happy Neighbor Day. Woohoo! Hi, neighbors. Isn't it a beautiful day, meow meow?
It sure is a beautiful day, Katerina, and we have a very special message to deliver to you. Neighbors, come along to the neighbor hugging song.
A neighbor hugging song?
That's right. Oh, it's a very special way to celebrate all our neighbors on Neighbor Day.
That does sound special, meow meow. Oh, yes, it does. I think I'll bring my favorite book to share at the hugging song. Hoo-hoo!
Ooh, that sounds fantastic. Oh, but where's your book?
I don't know, Hoo-hoo. Can you help me find it? Do you see O's book?
It has a rainbow on it, neighbors. Why don't we point it out for him?
Oh, there it is.
Good job, neighbors.
Neighbors,
You see it?
you help me find my book.
And what about you, Katerina? What are you taking to the hug and song today?
I'm going to do a dance at the neighbor hugging song in my beautiful tutu meow meow.
Ooh, that sounds cat-tastic, Katerina, but where's your tutu?
No meow meow.
Really?
Help me My tutu is very important for my dance.
Can you find Katerina's tutu?
It's pink and fluffy. Why don't we point it out for her neighbors?
Where's it at, Mia?
Oh, there's my tutu.
Good job, neighbors.
Find it.
Meow meow. You are such good neighbors on Neighbor Day.
You're very welcome, Katerina and O, but I think it's about time we picked up a couple more friends, so we have to say goodbye to them. Everyone wave goodbye to Katerina and O.
Bye.
See you later, meow meow.
Meow meow.
See you later.
Bye. But to find our neighbors to invite them to the hug and song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along, won't you ride along with me? All right, our next stop is the museum go-around. And look, there's Miss Elena right now.
There's a letter.
Let's all say hello.
Hi, Miss Elena.
Happy Neighbor Day.
Happy Neighbor Day to you too, Miss Elena. And we have a
See ya.
very special message to deliver to you. Neighbors, come along to the neighbor hugging song.
Along to the neighbor hugging
I
song.
love hugging songs, especially on Neighbor Day.
Ooh, will we be seeing you there, Miss Elena?
You sure will, but I'll be Astronaut Elena in my space helmet.
That sounds out of this world, Miss Elena, but where's your helmet?
Oh no! Where did I put my helmet? Will you help me, neighbors?
It's right on the car.
It has a blue stripe on it. Why don't we point it out for
See
her?
Miss Elena's space helmet?
See it?
Thanks for finding
It's
it,
over there in
neighbors.
the corner.
Just in time for the neighbor hugging song.
Can't really
You're
see
very
it.
welcome, Miss Elena. We hope to see you there.
I'll see you soon.
Bye, Miss Elena.
Bye.
Bye. We're out to find our neighbors to invite them to the hug and song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along, won't you ride along with me? All right, our next neighbor is very important to Daniel Tiger. He kind of looks like him, but a little bit bigger. Can anyone guess who we're seeing next? Dad, maybe.
Daniel Tiger's daddy.
Oh, damn tiger.
You neighbors are so smart. We're at the neighborhood clock factory with Dad Tiger.
Clock factory? That's where my dad
There
works.
he is.
And there he is. Hi, Dad.
Hello there, my fuzzy guy. Happy Neighbor Day, everyone. Welcome to the clock factory. Are you on your way to the castle?
We sure are, Dad Tiger. Will you be joining us today?
I sure will. But first, it's almost chime time. Would you like to hear?
I think we would, Dad Tiger, but what is chime time?
Daniel, would you like to tell them?
Sure, Dad. Chime time is when all of the clocks in the clock factory make their special music.
And now, it's about to begin.
All right, every neighbor, let's shake our tiger tails and give it your best dance moves. I'm loving the shoulder shimmy. Right there, yeah. Let's give yourself a round of applause.
Ooh. Thanks, Dad.
It sure was, Daniel. But I think it's about time you hopped off a trolley and joined your dad for the neighbor hugging song.
That's right. I'll get off trolley now, so I can come along to the hugging song with my whole family.
All right, every neighbor, let's close our eyes and make believe Daniel Tiger's getting off the trolley. Remember, no peeking. And he's gone.
Bye, everybody. See you at the neighbor hugging song.
Bye, everyone wave goodbye. Bye. Bye. All right, neighbors, do you think that we can sing without Daniel? Yeah? Ready? We're off to find our neighbors to invite them to the hug and song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along, won't you neighbors. It looks like our next stop is Mr. McFeely.
It's good to see so many happy faces on this beautiful Neighbor Day. I'm on my way to make a speedy delivery to the castle.
Ooh, what's in your basket, Mr. McFeely?
Come to the neighbor hugging song to find out.
Can anyone guess what Mr. McFeely is delivering today? Flowers, maybe. Any other guesses? Cards, maybe. I'm not sure, but we do have a very special message to deliver to Mr. McFeely. Ready, neighbors? Come along to the neighbor hugging song.
I'll be there. Bye, neighbors. See you soon.
Bye, Mr. McFeely. Everyone wave goodbye. All right, neighbors, you successfully invited all our neighbors to Neighbor Day. Why don't we give ourselves a round of applause? And look, it looks like all our friends are at the castle right now. How about we say hi to them? Hi. Hello, neighbors. Happy Neighbor Day to you too, Daniel.
Hi, neighbors. Everyone came to the hugging song, and Mr. McFeely brought us all sunflowers. That was his special Neighbor Day speedy delivery. Aren't they terrific?
They sure are, Daniel, but what do we do now?
Well, we start with hugs. Everybody hug. All the people you want
We
to
hug.
All right, everyone give everyone a hug. I'm going to hug Trolley.
Wasn't that terrific?
It sure was, Daniel. I love myself a good hug.
It's such a good feeling to have everyone here for Neighbor Day. Are you ready to sing?
Are we ready to sing with Daniel? It's such a good feeling to know you're alive. It's such a happy feeling. You're growing inside, and when you wake up, ready to say, I think I'll.
Everybody.
Hug-a-mugga, Daniel. Everyone wave goodbye. Happy Neighbor Day, Daniel. All right, neighbors, did we have fun visiting the neighborhood of Make Believe today? Wonderful. All right, neighbors, remember to give 3 ugga-muggas or hugs to the ones that you love today. And make sure you stay real nice and quiet and seated until Trolley gets back home. I hope you have a very tiger-tastic day today. Bye, neighbors. It looks like there's a neighbor on deck right now. Why don't we give her a wave? Hi, neighbor. Make us happy new day.